If you've tried generating AI characters, you know the exact frustration. Every time you run a new prompt, the face changes, the bone structure shifts identity, the style wanders, and your character becomes completely unrecognizable. To fix this, we need a stable environment. ElevenCreative is designed specifically for this purpose, giving you a unified workspace to build and lock in reliable multimedia assets. Today, we are going to build a highly realistic, visually consistent, professional AI avatar from scratch, so you can power up your production workflow. Before we write a single prompt, log into your ElevenLabs account and open the ElevenCreative workspace. We have to master this consistent visual base first. Getting the image locked in is a mandatory step before we attempt to build multi-layered audio and video content later. Looking at the dashboard, we need to select the Image tab to begin our visual creation. Do not touch the text prompt box yet. We have to establish a concrete identity for this avatar before we type anything. Answer 3 strict questions for yourself. Who is this character? What is their specific role? And where are they standing? A vague prompt like person at a desk gives the AI too much room to guess. A highly specific concept, like a confident tech educator in a modern digital studio, establishes strict boundaries. Defining these exact details up front forces the tool to work within your parameters, preventing it from generating random, unusable visual noise. The most common mistake right now is relying on a 2-word instruction like realistic avatar. The tool will output an average, unpolished result. Look at this formula: subject and mood, plus clothing, plus setting, plus lighting and angle. Let's apply it. A confident business educator with a warm smile, wearing clean professional clothing, modern YouTube studio background, soft cinematic lighting, eye-level camera. Input this complete formula directly into the generation text field to power up your output quality. On the left is the vague prompt. On the right, our formula produces a highly realistic, perfectly lit portrait matching our exact criteria. Strict adherence to this structural formula separates amateur experimentation from predictable, professional asset creation. Click Generate and review your initial batch of image options. You are looking for a strong base image. Check 2 main things. The eyes must look natural, and the background must be clean and undistorted. If the first result isn't perfect, do not delete your entire prompt. Scrapping your work to start over wastes time. We use micro refinements instead. Change a single descriptive word, like swapping warm smile for neutral expression, to safely adjust the output without losing your composition. Iterating on a solid foundation guarantees reliable results and keeps you moving forward. Now we face the real test: generating a second image that keeps this exact same face. Download your refined base image and upload it directly into the reference image drop zone. This tool forcefully locks in the facial geometry, the hairstyle, and the core aesthetic style for every generation that follows. With the face locked, place this character into new environments, change their pose, or adjust clothing. They will always perfectly match your original base. Mastering the reference image upload allows you to turn a one-off character into a scalable, long-term brand spokesperson. We now have a locked, highly realistic visual asset that is ready for production. The ultimate advantage of ElevenCreative is that you can immediately power up your workflow by transitioning this visual straight into audio production. You can seamlessly layer your avatar with professional voiceovers, cloned narration, and background music. Take your new avatar into the audio suite right now. Click the next tutorial to finalize your project and fully power up your multimedia content.